We were so excited this morning to see our tiger on the table that we wanted to be our tiger again. Halloween's just not quite enough, is it? No. Whoa. Madeline, what does the tiger say? What does the monkey say? Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. What does the sheep say? What does the cow say? Moo. What does the horse say? Neigh. What does the doggy say? Woof, woof. What does the kitty say? Meow. Meow. What does the horsey say? Neigh. Neigh. We did that one, didn't we? What else is there? What does the froggy say? Ribbit, ribbit. For some reason, every time we see a lizard or a turtle or a froggy, we always go, wow. What does the tiger say? Wow. You're just the cutest thing. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.